I would very much, very, very much request His Holiness and His esteemed people to please, please find a resolution to this Dorje Shugden issue that's not getting smaller, that is getting bigger. I am a nobody, I am nothing, but I am a concerned citizen of this world, and the more peace we can create within our own communities, it would add to the peace of the world and the overall peace of our planet. I am appealing as a concerned citizen. I am appealing not on the basis of right or wrong, but on the basis of the fighting, the vulgarities, the arguing, the online attacks, the accusations. All of that should stop, because in lieu of that, we should be reciting mantras. We should be practicing the teachings. We should be developing Mahakaruna, compassion. We should be transforming our minds and fighting the ego, not each other. Now, I dare not, would not, request His Holiness to attend or mediate any of this. I think His people can take care of this, and I think it's more proper if His people take care of this. So, I think that it would be very good if His Holiness or His trusted people would arrange a meeting with the leaders of the Dorje Shugden followers from Tibet, India, Nepal, all around the world, and sit down with some nice coffee and tea in a controlled, neutral environment with filming, and to talk out this issue, to talk it out.